Finding the right Rollator Walker can make a huge difference in daily independence, comfort, and confidence. Whether you need extra stability while walking, a comfortable place to rest during longer outings, or a lightweight design that is easy to transport, today's Rollator Walkers offer more features than ever before. In 2026, the best models combine strong frames, smooth rolling wheels, comfortable seating, easy folding designs, and improved ergonomics to provide safer and more convenient mobility. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best Rollator Walkers of 2026, including the best overall choice, the best value option, the best heavy-duty model, the best lightweight walker, and the best travel-friendly Rollator. Let's get started. Number 5. Nova Traveler 3-Wheel Rollator. The Nova Traveler 3-Wheel Rollator is an excellent choice for users who value portability, convenience, and effortless mobility, making it one of the best travel-friendly rollators available in 2026. Unlike traditional 4-wheel rollators, its 3-wheel design provides a tighter turning radius, allowing users to move more easily through narrow hallways, shopping aisles, restaurants, medical facilities, and other indoor spaces where maneuverability is important. The compact frame is designed for everyday convenience while still offering dependable walking support and stability during regular activities. One of its biggest advantages is its travel-friendly construction, as the Rollator folds easily for storage and transportation, making it a practical companion for vacations, appointments, shopping trips, and daily errands. The lightweight design also makes it easier to place in a vehicle or move around the home when not in use. Additionally, the Traveler includes convenient storage options that allow users to carry personal belongings such as bags, wallets, or essential items, while keeping their hands free for safe movement. Its simple operation, smooth handling, and compact size make it especially appealing for active users who want a mobility aid that does not feel bulky or difficult to manage. While the 3-wheel design provides excellent maneuverability, it may offer slightly less stability compared with larger 4-wheel rollators. However, for users who prioritize freedom, portability, and easy navigation, the Nova Traveler 3-wheel rollator remains one of the most practical mobility solutions of 2026. Number 4. UPWalker Lite Upright Walker. The UPWalker Lite earns its place as the best lightweight rollator walker of 2026 because of its innovative upright walking design, comfortable support system, and focus on improving the overall walking experience. Unlike traditional walkers that often encourage users to lean forward, the UPWalker Lite is designed with higher handles and supportive armrests that help promote a more natural, upright posture. This design can reduce pressure on the wrists, shoulders, and lower back, allowing users to walk with greater comfort and confidence during everyday activities. Its lightweight construction makes it easier to control, lift, fold, and transport, while still providing a strong and stable frame for dependable mobility support. The walker features comfortable hand grips, ergonomic arm supports, smooth rolling wheels, and a convenient folding design, making it suitable for both indoor use and outdoor activities such as shopping, walking in the neighborhood, or attending appointments. Another advantage is its user-friendly design, which makes it easier for many seniors to maintain independence without feeling restricted by a traditional mobility aid. While the UPWalker Lite comes at a higher price compared with basic walkers, its premium construction, posture-focused design, and enhanced comfort features make it a worthwhile investment for users who prioritize long-term mobility and ease of use. For seniors seeking a lightweight walker that combines stability, comfort, and a more natural walking position, the UPWalker Lite is one of the most impressive choices available in 2026. Number 3. Drive Medical Bariatric Rollator Walker. The Drive Medical Bariatric Rollator Walker is our choice for the best heavy-duty rollator walker of 2026, offering exceptional strength, stability, and comfort for users who require additional support during daily mobility. Built with a reinforced heavy-duty frame, this rollator is designed to provide increased durability and confidence while walking, making it an excellent option for individuals who need a stronger mobility solution compared with standard lightweight models. Its wider seat and sturdy construction provide enhanced comfort, especially during longer outings when users need a reliable place to rest. The large wheels improve stability and allow smoother movement across a variety of surfaces, including indoor floors, sidewalks, and outdoor pathways, giving users greater freedom in different environments. A padded seat and comfortable backrest add extra convenience, allowing users to take breaks whenever needed without requiring a separate chair. The rollator also includes practical storage space for carrying personal belongings, making it useful for shopping trips, appointments, and everyday activities. While its durable construction provides excellent support, the heavier frame does make it less portable and more difficult to transport compared with lightweight rollators. However, for users who prioritize maximum stability, strength, and long-term reliability, The Drive Medical Bariatric Rollator Walker delivers the confidence and performance needed for safe and comfortable mobility. Its combination of heavy-duty construction, user-friendly features, and dependable support makes it one of the top choices for those seeking a powerful rollator in 2026. Number 2. Medline Ultralight Freedom Rollator Walker. The Medline Ultralight Freedom Rollator Walker earns its place as the best value rollator walker of 2026 by offering a practical combination of comfort, reliability, and affordability, without sacrificing the essential features users need for everyday mobility. Designed with a lightweight aluminum frame, this rollator is easy to maneuver around the home, shopping areas, medical facilities, and outdoor spaces, while still providing dependable walking support and stability. It features adjustable handles for a more customized fit, a comfortable seat and padded backrest for convenient resting during longer walks, and storage space for carrying personal belongings while staying mobile. One of its biggest advantages is its simple and user-friendly design, making it easy for seniors and caregivers to operate without complicated controls, unnecessary adjustments, or a steep learning curve. The lightweight construction also makes transportation more convenient, allowing users to easily fold, store, or place the rollator in a vehicle when traveling. While it may not include some of the advanced features, premium materials, or upgraded designs found on higher-priced models, the Medline Ultralight Freedom focuses on delivering the features that matter most for daily use. Its combination of comfort, portability, ease of operation, and budget-friendly price makes it an excellent choice for users who want dependable mobility assistance without a large investment. For anyone searching for a reliable rollator that balances quality and affordability, the Medline Ultralight Freedom is one of the smartest options available in 2026. Number 1. Drive Medical Nitro Elite Carbon Fiber Rollator. Taking the top position as the best overall rollator walker of 2026 is the Drive Medical Nitro Elite Carbon Fiber Rollator, a premium mobility solution that combines lightweight performance, exceptional durability, comfort, and modern design into one impressive package. Built with advanced carbon fiber construction, this rollator delivers remarkable strength while remaining significantly lighter than many traditional mobility walkers, making it easier to control, transport, and use throughout the day. Its strong yet lightweight frame provides excellent stability, while the large wheels allow smooth movement across a variety of surfaces, including indoor floors, sidewalks, and outdoor pathways. The Nitro Elite is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic handle system, responsive braking controls, a padded seat, and a supportive backrest that allows users to take comfortable breaks whenever needed. Its convenient folding mechanism makes storage and transportation simple, whether you're placing it in a vehicle or storing it at home. Beyond its practical features, the premium materials and stylish design give it a modern appearance while ensuring long-lasting performance. Although the Nitro Elite Carbon Fiber Rollator comes at a higher price than many standard rollators, its combination of lightweight construction, superior maneuverability, comfort features, and dependable engineering makes it one of the most complete mobility solutions available. For users who want the perfect balance of strength, portability, reliability, and everyday comfort, the Drive Medical Nitro Elite Carbon Fiber Rollator stands out as the ultimate choice for 2026. Choosing the best rollator walker depends on your lifestyle, mobility needs, and budget. If you want the best overall combination of comfort, quality, and performance, the Drive Medical Nitro Elite Carbon Fiber Rollator is the top choice. For shoppers who want excellent features at an affordable price, the Medline Ultralight Freedom Rollator offers outstanding value. If extra support and durability are important, the Drive Medical Bariatric Rollator provides a stronger and more stable design. For users who want improved posture and lightweight mobility, the UPWalker Lite is a great option, while frequent travelers will appreciate the compact design of the Nova Traveler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which rollator walker would be the best fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.